Listen, let me tell you people something. Why BBC do this? Because TB Joshua is a black man. He's from Nigeria. White people don't want any black man, any white people to bow down to black man. White people don't need that kind of thing. White man don't need a black man to become a celebrity that even the white man will bow down to that black to that black celebrity. White people don't need it. What happened to Michael Johnson? What happened to Michael Johnson? He want to become a celebrity. He want to become a world figure, but they give him condition. That is why Michael Johnson changed his body to become a white man. That is what is happening. TB Joshua has break record. A man of God in Africa, that whenever TB Joshua go to crusade in Indonesia, in Israel, in America, white people will full stadium. White people will full to bow down. Only TB Joshua and Indahosa do this kind of great work in Nigeria. They want to destroy the image of TB Joshua. That is why BBC supposed not to put their hand. BBC supposed not to talk about this thing, but they talk it because TB Joshua is a black man. Now they have said that TB Joshua, this is TB Joshua in Israel, Nazareth, in 2019. This is TB Joshua in Israel. Can you see it in that place? Can you see crowd? Can you see crowd? Can you see the population of Israel, both the Jews that came to the program of TB Joshua? A black man, anytime this black man called TB Joshua enter in a white country, he will draw crowd, stadium will full. This is it. This is Israel. This is one of those things that these people see. They are not happy for this, what TB Joshua is doing as a black man. This is TB Joshua in Colombia, 2014. Do you see crowd? Do you see crowd? I told you that any white country that TB Joshua enter crusade, white people will be gathered. White people, thousands, millions will be waiting to see TB Joshua, a black man. That is why they use BBC, because the white people do not like this kind of thing. They do not like a black man to be like a celebrity. That anytime a black man will enter to a white country, the white people will be gathering to following that black man. Have you seen it now? Do you see stadium? Do you see crowd? Do you see thousands and millions of people that are waiting to see TB Joshua, a black man, only black pastor, only black man, that anytime he enter in a white man country, he will draw crowd. That is what they are fighting. That is what they are fighting. Listen, I will tell you everything that is happening. Some of you people do not know what is happening. I will tell you. Now, this is TB Joshua in Mexico. In Mexico, 2015. Do you see stadium? Do you see crowd? And all this crowd that you are seeing that place, all of them white, not black, white people. Do you see the crowd? This is what the world leaders, BBC, all of them, they see. They are not happy for the kind of for the population, for the crowd that this black man, anytime this black man enter into a white man country, white people will fool to see this black man. That is one of the reasons. Do you see people in the stadium? Do you see thousands? Do you see millions of people? I want to see TB Joshua. Do you see it in Mexico? Not black, but white. If it is possible, you as a black man, go to white man country. Let me know who will welcome you there. If it is possible, you as a black man, go to white man country. Let me know if white people will celebrate you, if white people will welcome you. They know what they are doing. This is TB Joshua in South Korea, 2016. Do you see crowd? Do you see people? All the South Korea, they welcome him. Do you see crowd? Do you see people in South Korea? This is one of the reasons they are not happy for TB Joshua. Do you see crowd? Watch it, you see it. Crowd. They want to see TB Joshua. They want to see a black man. Do you think that white people are happy for all those things that is happening? They are not happy. They are not happy. Do you see crowd in South Korea? They are waiting to see TB Joshua. This is one of the crusade he did. There are many white man country, if TB Joshua enter. Crowd. There are many, both Singapore. There are many. I'm not holding the record of all those things. If you go to internet, you will see many TB Joshua have traveled to many white man country. And anytime he enter that place, you will see how white people will foosted on. They want to see TB Joshua, who is a black man, because white people do not want good things to come out from the black. Now, listen, can you see BBC Africa? Do you see it now? Look at what they use. This thing they are saying that they are exposing TB Joshua, using TB Joshua as a profile picture, covering picture. Do you see it now? BBC Africa, do you see it? Have you seen it? Now, I want to ask you a question. This BBC Africa, I want to ask BBC Africa. I want to know if TB Joshua is a problem of Africa. Tell me. I want you people to understand what I'm saying. I want to know if TB Joshua is the problem of Africa. Why do BBC Africa we use him as a profile, as a cover picture on their Facebook? This is not only BBC Africa, but the power, the order comes from United Kingdom. Not only all of them. Top world leaders, white leaders, they are the ones that are doing all those things. The order is from the BBC headquarters. Not only BBC headquarters, but some of the top leaders of the world, white leaders. They are the ones that are planning, that are doing all this underground work, but you don't know. The world leaders, the world white leaders, they are the ones that are doing this underground work. So this is what the world leaders working with BBC, this is what they are doing to destroy the image of TB Joshua, to tell the world, to tell all these white people that are welcoming TB Joshua that this man that you people are celebrating is fake. This is what they are doing. I am telling you the truth. I'm not a member of TB Joshua's church. I'm not a member of his church, and TB Joshua is not my mentor. But I'm telling you the reality. And listen, let me tell you something. I said it that why BBC did this is because TB Joshua is a black man. He's from Africa. If TB Joshua is a white man, maybe TB Joshua is from America or TB Joshua is from United Kingdom, they will not do it. They will not do it. If TB Joshua is from the Britain, is from United Kingdom, or if TB Joshua is a white man from United Kingdom, do you think that BBC will come and talking this thing? They will not talk it. They will not talk it. Do you think that BBC will just come online to be talking this kind of thing? Because TB Joshua is a black man that shake the world. He's a black man that come anytime he go to crusade in Indonesia, stadium with full. Anytime he go to crusade to Israel or to all the white country, England, the stadium will full. And when you see the people in that stadium, white people, I'm not talking about black people that live in America, I'm not talking about the white people, and I'm not talking about the black people that live in Indonesia, I'm not talking about the black people that live in United Kingdom. No, the indigenous people of Indonesia, the indigenous people of London, both America, white people with full stadium. Different countries, white people with full stardom. White people with full stardom. One black man that shake the nation is a black man. That is why they are doing all those things to pull him down, to prove that he is fake, to prove that he is fake. Because TB Joshua is a black man. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. The sin that TB Joshua have committed, and the sin that the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that have been slaughtering Christians in Nigeria since 2009. I want to know the sin of the TB Joshua and the sin of Nigerian politicians. Which one is better? Which one is greater than? Which one is better? The sin that TB Joshua and the sin that our politicians in Nigeria have committed, which one is greater than? Since 2009, every month in Nigeria, mass burial. Every month in Nigeria, mass burial. Mass burial. And BBC are keeping quiet. They don't want to come to Nigeria to investigate, to know the politicians, to know who are the people that are sponsoring these Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen weapons. They're not going to do it. They will not do it. They will not do it. They will not do it. Some of you people will not believe what I'm saying. Some of you people will not believe what I'm saying. Even in Roman Catholic Church, can you see a black man to become Pope? No, it will not happen. Even if the time for the black man to become pope, they will use politics to shift it out. I know what I'm saying. White people don't want black man to succeed in this world. I know what I'm talking about. Now I will stop here. Watch the full video on my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search Evangelist Ebube Joseph. You watch all the videos there. You watch all the videos. Make sure you watch all the videos. Tomorrow I will come out again and I will tell you people what is going on.